Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Brand new channel. Trying to have some fun with it. Want to see how far we can take it. Anyway, to the point. Cheap Amazon purchases for modifying your car. So this is a puddle light, a shadow light here. It's the courtesy lights when you open the door. Anyway, I did a short video a while ago because I bought this type of product twice, and both times I was burned. They didn't work. Good news is I was able to send them back for a refund. Third time might be a charm. So I'm trying out the original ones that I bought the first time. The problem with the first set was that the plugs did not fit, and we can't have that, nor would they fit up into the cavity when you take the old bulb assembly out. So let's open this one up, have a look, and then do a quick install. Hopefully everything works out. Last time this notch wasn't cut out properly, I returned those, and then the next set I got had extension wires, but one of them was dead. So hopefully both of these work and fit properly, but they already look a little better. And there's the second one. Let's take the old ones out and put these in. Okay, one says left, one says right. This would be the left one. Let's compare. So the cutouts look the same. It's just a matter of whether the fit and finish will work. So the clear ones look a little bit longer here. Let's try it out. Fit. Yay, it works. Shut the light off. Open the door. Much better. Yay, they work. I'm pretty happy. All right, it worked. Let's put the other one in before we get too excited. Make sure we're good to go. Can't open the door any farther, but it works. We're in business, boys. Well, there you have it. It all worked. This product redeemed itself. I'll put a link to what this is in the description below. It's under $20. I highly recommend it. Again, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. If you like today's video, hit that like button, and we'll talk to you later.